Hello everyone, this is me Kunal Shah here. I'm a senior technical and derivative analyst at LKP Securities. Welcome to Dhann Ki Baat. This is a show where we discuss what the outlook for the market is for the coming week, that is the Nifty and the Bank Nifty outlook, and the sectors which are likely to outperform going forward, and the stocks which are looking good in the near term. So first, let us start with the Nifty outlook. We have seen in the last 1 month, Nifty has seen a massive correction. There was a lot of volatility in the Nifty index due to the global factors, due to the inflation concern. The RBI had hiked the interest rate, because of which we saw some correction in the Nifty index. So now, what the index is trying to tell us from the current levels. Now, amid this volatility, Nifty is currently trading at their very crucial support zone. If you can see on the chart, this was the zone from where the index had rallied sharply. That is from the zone of 15,800. From 15,800, we had seen a rally till 18,500. We corrected, we again came back over here. Again, we saw a sharp rally, and again we have corrected at the same level. So this has been a demand zone for the index from quite a long time. So definitely we are at a very critical support zone. So as long as Nifty trades above 15,800, the stance remains bullish from the current levels. On the upside, the immediate resistance stands at 16,400. Once 16,400 is taken out, from there onwards, traders can take aggressive bets on the long side, where we can see index heading towards 16,800 levels on the upside. So it is very important for the index to close above 16,400. From there, aggressive long bets can be placed on the Nifty index. So from the current levels, the view stands bullish as long as Nifty stays above the level of 15,800. Now, when I talk about the Bank Nifty index, the Bank Nifty index to witness volatility, and it is currently trading in a downtrend. The index is already having a lower high, lower low formations. On the upside, the resistance stands at 34,800 levels, and on the downside, the support stands at 33,200 levels. Now, again, for the Bank Nifty index to give me a confirmation and to change the trend, that is from a downtrend to an uptrend, it has to cross above 36. It has to cross above 34,800 zone. So once it closes above 34,800, from there we will see a fresh breakout coming in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty can head towards the levels of 36,000 levels on the upside. So for the next week, 34,800 remains a crucial resistance on the upside. Once we cross above that, then we can see some relief rally, or you can say a short covering rally that could start in the Nifty Bank Index. Now let us talk about the stocks or the sectors which are looking good from the current levels. So two sectors which are there on my radar. The first sector would be the Nifty Energy. If I look at the Nifty Energy sector, this sector had a sideways consolidation out here, and on 22nd March 2022, the index had given me a breakout, and we saw a sharp rally in the index front. Now we have again corrected on this front, and exactly at the previous resistance zone, which has now become my support. So we have again tested this support zone on the downside, and we are trading over here. So the risk to reward ratio is extremely favorable for the Nifty Energy Index. 25,400 is a very, very crucial support zone. Till the time we are trading above these levels, expect the bullishness to continue on the upside. A minor hurdle on the upside is placed at 26,700 zone. Once that is taken out, expect the index to go towards the levels of 28,000. Now, if I talk about the Nifty Energy sector, which are the stocks which are looking good? So my first bet out of here is Reliance. Reliance, again, if I look on the chart, if Nifty has to outperform, Reliance will participate over here. And even in today's trading session, we have seen Reliance had given a very good move on the upside. So Reliance can continue to outperform. On the upside, I can see 2,700 to 2,750 levels coming on Reliance. So Reliance is one stock which one should look at from the current levels as well, for a more 3 to 4% upside, which is still pending in Reliance. So Reliance could be one stock where we can see outperformance in the next week. The other sector which is looking good is the Nifty CPSC index, that is called as the Public Sector Enterprise Index. Now, public sector stocks have been doing quite well in the recent times, and since the market has corrected, we have seen some correction over here as well. If I see the stock was trading in an uptrend over here, we got a breakdown, and again we have seen some good follow up move coming on the upside. So for the Nifty CPSC index on the downside, 2520 or 2540 I can say is the levels which is acting as a support zone. On the upside, I can see the index going towards the levels of 2700. So again, the index can see some fresh buying momentum coming in where we can see further upside going forward. So from the public sector enterprise, there are certain stocks which are looking very good and can catch up the momentum going forward. Now, first stock in this space is Power Grid. Now, if you look at the chart of Power Grid, the stock has been consolidating or it was trading in a sideways territory when the market was correcting, which clearly indicates that Power Grid from the current levels indicates a lot of strength and we can see some further momentum going forward. So Power Grid is one stock which you should keep on your radar where we can see some fresh buying coming in and we can see the stock also outperforming. The next what I can see from the PSE space is Coal India. Coal India has been doing quite good. Even on the front of Coal India, the stock had seen a recent correction over here, and now again the stock is showing me fresh signs of up move that could come in into the stock. So Coal India is one stock which can do well. We have already seen a bullish momentum built up. Above 188, the stock will give me a fresh breakout, which will again take the stock back to the levels of 195 200. So Coal India is one stock which you should keep on your radar when it comes to the PSE space. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, the view stands bullish. Energy and the public sector enterprise are the sectors which are looking good. Reliance, Power Grid, Coal India, even NTPC looks good. These are the stocks which one should keep on your radar for the coming week. Thank you so much. That's it from my side.